Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running
Pointing at, I'm recording now, but it will be no voice. So I didn't bring my camera. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you could probably help me with that. I think I might have gotten the wrong, you know, the little ones that you put on you, microphone. I got it for the wrong phone, I think. So I need to get a cord. That's what I mean. I need to find one of those, and I don't know what type of adapters. So I might show them to you, and you can tell me what I need. Samson. Right. No, there was 2 different kinds on Amazon, and I think I ordered the one for the iPhone. I was thinking if you have a good video footage of it, like of the ring and stuff, whatever. If I upload it, I will like tag it. I could tag you in it to give you credit, you know. Oh wow, you're doing better than me. Well, you know, a lot of people. Well, my second channel, more people subscribe, and I haven't even tried with that one. It's because people, like a lot of people, they will watch my channel, like my spiritual channel, but they will forget to subscribe because they so relaxed after that, or they got all these things to think about, so they forget. Almost like here, look over there. The dead tree.
Oh yeah, of course.
I have my camera on time lapse, so just set it here.
Yeah. It's just gonna be that one little slit on the right that we still see. That's gonna be like as full as it's gonna get here.
On the right side of the bed, think about that, and then you wake up again after. Yep. Oh my god. Is this big bug, Thomas? I promise you to. Look to it. Look up. You'll be able to see exactly the moon. Really, good girl. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you can't see that on the camera.
No.
No. Or even if you looked up, you wouldn't be able to see that.
Well, I can see it on my camera.
Can you? Oh, you have those really photo lens.
Telephoto, yes.
Yeah, that's
Put a few boxes.
that's awesome. It almost looks like the moon. When you look at this, like what I mean is like, oh, it only does that I think on here out here. But yeah, like when it does the thing like that, see that? Yeah. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, that's the same one it was on Southeast Asia.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's drag. See, drag. Come here. Over here, baby. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Come on, over here. Yeah, I didn't bring my speakerphone out. I mean, my speakers out, so a time lapse is the best video to do. Oh, that's so. You know when you look into a petri dish?
I've never done it myself, but I think it's great.
Well, that's kind of what I'm seeing. I'm seeing different things in the lens. I don't know if it's in the lens or in the moon. I mean, in the sun.
I'm guessing it's probably another factor of the lens.
Oh, she's way over there. Sorry, Bob. Come over here, babes. Come on. Shelby, need one of those? She need a walker. Come on, over here. Come on, over here. Come on over here, boo-boo. More food. Come on, over here. Come along. Oh yeah, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. Here, stop it. Come here. Oh yeah, it's getting dark in here. Alright, cool.
We're 15 minutes away from peak, too.
Yeah.
Shelby's exploring today. She's out here. She wants to roll in the grass because she was rolling on the. She wanted to roll in the cement. Wrong one. That's her now. I just want to go see if it's a dove feather. Okay. I know where you're going. What you doing? The grass nice over here, huh? The grass nice over here. So we're about halfway there until it gets dark.